I've got another giveaway, and this time I'm giving away a whole bunch of stuff. The first thing is this Bosscam FPV watch. And this is a cool little thing. It's got a little antenna that sticks out here. It's got a video receiver and a screen, and you can choose, I think, 32 different channels. And it'll display whatever it sees on that video channel. It's a little too small to fly with, but it's absolutely fantastic for checking out what your friends are doing while they're flying. You can give it to somebody who just wants to see what's in your goggles. Or it's really good for just working on your quad and you need something that'll receive video and just stick it on your desk. So that's a cool little thing. The next thing is this 2 Pineapples diversity receiver. Now this I've used, so it's used, but it works great. The reception in it is absolutely fantastic, and it plugs into just about any Fat Shark goggles. Next up, I have this X210 frame. It's a Real ACC X210. It's a great little frame. I've used these for a really long time, and I'm also giving away a Betaflight F3 all-in-one flight controller, PDB, OSD board. And built, it looks kind of like this, without the 3D printed GoPro mount. But it's a good solid frame, true X, and they fly really nice and smooth. Battery on the bottom. Next I have this Real ACC X210 Pro frame. So it's almost exactly the same thing. Do I have one here? Yeah. But it also has this GoPro mount for an old style GoPro. So for a GoPro 3, GoPro 4, or one of the action cams that are sort of wide with a lens sticking out front. And same sort of thing. It's a little bit taller than the X210, so there's a little more room to fit stuff in, but it's also a good solid frame. And I'm also giving away a Betaflight F3 flight controller all-in-one board with that as well. So we've got this frame and flight controller, we've got this frame and flight controller, we've got the diversity receiver and the FPV watch. So I'm giving one of these away to a subscriber, so all you need to do to enter is, well, first make sure you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And then down in the comments below, post a message that ranks the prizes in the order in which you want them. So if you want the FPV watch first, your second choice is the diversity receiver, and the third choice is one of the frames, then put 1 FPV watch, 2 diversity receiver, 3 X210 frame, 4 X210 Pro frame, or something like that. And so before Christmas, I'm going to pick 4 winners. The first place winner will get their choice of whatever they want. They're going to get their number 1 pick. And I'm going to do my best to make sure the 3 other winners get something that they really want as well. Another quick thing I should mention is that I will pay shipping for anybody in the US and Canada. But if you're a winner and you live outside of the US and Canada, you're responsible for shipping. So anyway, thanks very much, and good luck, and take it easy.
I just want you to get up out of your seat, get up and get down, get up and move your feet. Come on, get up and get